Welcome to the best picks. The best Fao Schwarz guitar is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after children's toys, but is it worth the hype for young aspiring guitarists? In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the Fao Schwarz electric guitar and amplifier set, examining its build quality, sound capabilities, and overall playability to determine whether it's a worthwhile investment for beginners or simply an overpriced novelty item. We will explore its features, assess its durability, and compare it to other guitars in a similar price range, offering a comprehensive review to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Best Choice 39 inches Electric Guitar Kit. Everything you need to start playing is included. It comes with an amp, case, extra strings, and more. You're ready to rock right away. This guitar is perfect for beginners and intermediate players alike. It's designed for easy playability and sounds great. It boasts a sleek design with a quality paint finish, custom tuning pegs, and accented binding. You'll look great playing it. Experiment with different sounds. Adjust the sound to play any genre, from blues to rock. The tremolo system lets you bend the pitch. It's custom designed for rich sound. The composite fretboard and maple neck deliver amazing tone with 3 single-coil pickups. Unpack it, plug it in, and start making music. This guitar kit has everything you need to begin your musical journey. What we like. It includes everything you need to start playing right away, from the amplifier to extra strings. If you're a beginner and want a complete package without extra costs, this is perfect for you. It's also great for experimenting with different sounds, thanks to its adjustable features, making it suitable for various musical styles. What people say. The guitars alone on other brands weigh twice as much, a ridiculous 15+ pounds. The guitar itself seems well built and mechanically solid. The color is slightly different from the picture, but very beautiful. The unit comes in a very well packaged box which is wrapped in a standard Amazon shipping box. Well protected for shipping. The included amp is about the size of a large Oxford dictionary or a couple of encyclopedia volumes back to back. It's only about 3 thick, which makes it a great practice amp. Number 4. Positive Grid Spark Amp. Get ready to experience the future of guitar amplification. It's more than just an amp, it's your personal music studio. It learns your playing style and creates authentic bass and drum tracks to accompany you. Jam along to your favorite songs effortlessly. Access a massive library of amp and effects presets. It has everything you need to craft your unique sound. Import songs from Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube, and it will show you the chords in real time. Learn and play along with your favorite tracks. It boasts a powerful 40-watt output, onboard controls, effects, a built-in tuner, and more. Everything you need is right there. Use it as a USB audio interface to record your music directly into your computer. It's the perfect tool for professional recording. What we like. This amp boasts smart technology that learns your playing style and provides backing tracks. It offers a massive selection of sounds and integrates seamlessly with your music library. If you're looking for a technologically advanced amp with endless tonal possibilities and want to jam along to your favorite songs, this is the one for you. What people say. The amp is also great because of the onboard controls and ability to shape sound even if you didn't use the app at all. It has great sound, at 40 watts not loud but absolutely fine for beginners and or as a spare practice amp for others. It has a switch with 7 different core amp modeling sounds: acoustic, bass, clean, glassy, crunch, high gain, metal. This is awesome because you can simply plug in your guitar and start playing with that huge range of tones and sounds, so you don't need to go buying effects pedals right out of the gate. Tons of sound shaping options here for the price, and being built right into the amp. In addition, you also have built-in delay, reverb and modulation. That's 3 more effects you get to experiment with but not have to buy separate pedals as you get started. The built-in preset models are a lot of fun to play with, and reasonably authentic. Dedicated tweakers will no doubt be able to get even more out of the models by fiddling with the pedal settings. I can't imagine anyone not being able to dial in the sounds they want for practicing. The backing tracks feature justifies the purchase all by itself. Nothing helps make practice less tedious than actually making music, and the backing tracks facilitate that nicely. The sound is very high quality, The ease of setting it up for different songs by using my smartphone app is a fantastic feature. The ease of portability, carrying this amp is so easy with the convenient shape size, lightweight, and carry strap. Easy to take to different venues. And the phone app is awesome. I can have it listen to a song, and it will set my amp controls to match the guitar's sound on the song it hears. Auto-tuning. Number 3. Best Choice 30 inches Beginner Guitar Kit. It's the ideal size for young learners. No more struggling to reach those low notes. They can start playing right away and upgrade later. This guitar boasts a single coil pickup. It delivers a rich, electric rock tone, perfect for jamming. It's made with high-quality materials, featuring an all-wood construction and a beautiful finish. It's built to withstand years of use. This isn't just a guitar, it's a complete kit. You get a gig bag, extra strings, a strap, cleaning cloth, picks, and even an amplifier. The included 5-watt amplifier is battery-powered and easy to use. Plug it in and amplify your music. With its compact size, great sound, and all the accessories you need, it's the perfect way to start your musical journey. What we like. It's designed for smaller players, making it easier for young beginners to learn. Despite its size, it still delivers a rich, electric sound. If you have a child who wants to learn guitar, or if you are looking for a smaller, more manageable instrument, this is a great option. It comes with everything they need to get started. What people say. My daughter just turned 6 years old and she can perfectly handle this guitar. The amp sounds pretty good. It makes it perfect for indoors. Although it does need a few changes, it's still a really great product for someone who wants their kids to seriously learn an instrument. The amp isn't bad but it isn't good, but for the purpose of use it functions great. It's a nice size for young beginners, and it at least has the illusion of being official looking. The guitar itself is surprisingly well put together. Number 2. RockJam RJEG03 SK RD Superkit. Get ready to rock. This Superkit has everything you need to start your musical journey, from a full-sized electric guitar to a 10-watt amp and all the accessories. It boasts a full-sized basswood body for rich sound, 3 single-coil pickups for versatile tones, and an ergonomic design for comfortable playing. It's perfect for beginners and experienced players alike. This amp is ideal for practice, with tone and gain controls to customize your sound. Plus, a headphone output lets you play anytime without disturbing others. The included gig bag keeps your guitar safe and sound with its padded interior and sturdy handles. Transport it easily to rehearsals or gigs. You'll also receive extra strings, picks, and a strap for comfortable playing. Everything you need to get started is right here. This kit comes with access to the Simply Guitar app, providing online lessons to guide you through your musical journey. Start learning today. What we like. This kit offers a full-sized guitar with high-quality components, perfect for both beginners and experienced players. The included amp is versatile and suitable for various playing styles. If you are looking for a complete package that includes online lessons to help you learn, this is a great choice. What people say. The amp sounds good and is loud but also is able to connect headphones to it for the times the amp might not want to be used lol. Everything works like it should. The guitar itself is well crafted, with a beautiful blue burst finish and a comfortable feel. The sound quality is impressive, delivering a range of tones suitable for various music genres. It sounds great with good strings. It will need some setup to stay in tune, once you put good strings on it. The amp isn't bad at all. Number 1. LyxPro 30 Kids Electric Guitar Kit. It's the ultimate starter package for young musicians. Everything they need to start playing right away is included. This isn't a toy, it's a real 30-inch electric guitar. It features high-quality materials, just like a full-sized instrument. The included 20-watt amp has a built-in speaker, headphone jack, and AUX input. It's perfect for practicing and playing along with your favorite music. Everything is included: a digital tuner, extra strings, picks, a comfortable shoulder strap, and a gig bag for easy transport. It's the perfect gift for any aspiring musician. Learning guitar has never been easier. What we like. It's specifically designed for kids, with a smaller size that's comfortable for younger players. The amp is surprisingly powerful for its size. If you're looking for a high-quality, all-inclusive guitar kit tailored for children, this is an excellent option. What people say. Comes with a truss rod tool Allen wrench for quick adjustment and stays in tune. The amp is also a nice quality. The guitar is overall well built and looks just as depicted. I was impressed by the action, which can really get in the way of learning if it is not appropriately set. The amplifier is just right. It also has a headphone jack. The neck, headstock and fretboard are all high quality. The amp is larger and louder than I expected, and my daughter appreciates that it comes with a headphone jack. The gig bag is a nice extra, as is the strap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.